This is my Porsche 911 997 Carrera 4S. I've had it about 6 months, and in today's video, we're doing a few mods. So what are we doing today? Well, we're doing interior mods. Now, since I got the car, there was one thing that kind of bothered me a little bit, and it was the steering wheel. Now, don't get me wrong, the steering wheel is beautiful. I'm going to show you in a sec because it is already retrimmed, and Royal Steering Wheels did the retrim on that, and we are going back to see Jack at Royal Steering Wheels because they are going to be retrimming the steering wheel that I have just bought. Now, I did contemplate going for like a McCann steering wheel to kind of modernize the interior of the car. However, I do love the GT3 look this car has. And when I went to a Porsche meet the other day, my neighbor has a 997.1 GT3 RS, and he happened to have a spare steering wheel. And so when he offered it to me, I kind of had to say yes. The only thing is because the steering wheel's around 14 years old, the Alcantara was a little bit tired, so I've taken it to Royal Steering Wheel to get refreshed. On top of that, I'm getting the gear stick and the handbrake redone in Alcantara. Now, I've got to say off the bat, the current steering wheel that's on this looks lovely. I mean, Royal Steering Wheels do a great job, and they retrimmed this, and they're doing the new wheel at the moment as well. They also did the gear stick and the handbrake. So we're kind of going from a bit of a leather to an Alcantara theme just because, well, I love Alcantara. The other thing is that this is the part of the car that I look at all the time. And one thing I just can't get on with is that kind of triangular airbag. I'm not really a fan, and I never use the multifunction steering wheel. It's pointless, basically. I've got Apple CarPlay touchscreen, the PCCM Plus, which is installed, so I do everything via there, and if I need to do the volume, I just do that, really. And equally, the gear stick, really, really nice, but I just, being as these are the contact points, especially on a manual car, I really want Alcantara. So with that said, let's get going. It's horrible weather, but yeah, let's head to Aylesbury, where Royal Steering Wheels is, and let's install this wheel. One of the things that I love about this car since we fitted the 200cl Sport Cat is the tone that this car now makes, like between 3,000 and 4,000. Have a listen to how nice this sounds. Oh, yes. Oh, wow. Yeah, I love this car. Love this car so much. And I guess this will be the last view that you'll get of the of this multi-function steering wheel, because it's going to about to get swapped, and the leather gear stick. It is a really nice gear stick, like a really nice steering wheel and gear stick setup. My personal preference is Alcantara, which is why I've switched it up, and the GT3 RS steering wheel just looks so much better. So yeah, excited to put it on. Right, so here we are. We arrived at Royal Steering Wheels. The weather isn't great outside, but what is great in here is Jack's setup. This is Jack. Jack runs Royal Steering Wheels. How are you, Jack?
Very well, thanks.
And we've got two steering wheels here. One, I'm not going to say whose it is, but you might recognize and see that soon. And Jack, this is mine, right?
Yes, correct.
This is what we've just done, and oh my word, mate, that looks incredible. Oh wow, that looks stunning. That is perfect, isn't it? So what have we done here? Because when I came to you, I came with the OEM GT3 RS steering wheel. I kind of said it was a little tired, right?
It was quite tired. Yeah. So you wanted a genuine refresh, like a retrim into the same specifications.
Yeah.
So a charcoal dark grey Alcantara with a yellow Alcantara stripe at the top.
Yeah.
And we didn't want the yellow stitching. I think it wouldn't look right.
Yeah.
So we decided to keep a dark grey to match your interior.
Absolutely. And it looks brilliant, mate. Wow.
Of course, we've got the little set coming along as well.
Yeah.
You got like a GT3 style gear stick, which we're gonna present later.
Yeah.
And handbrake handle, with a little strip behind.
Amazing.
So that's all to come, and yeah, I think we're gonna show when it's all fitted.
Yeah, absolutely. For those who may want their steering wheel redone, so I brought you my own steering wheel, but you do like an exchange offering? How does that kind of work?
Yeah, we do our exchange program for the customers who use the car daily. They can simply send us the inquiry online through our website and then the most popular wheels in our stock are in our stock, so we are able to prep the wheel to your specification.
Yeah.
For example, this customer choose full Alcantara with the green stitch.
Yeah.
And yes, when he comes over, we're gonna serve him. We're gonna offer him like a drive-in, drive-out service, which will be about 30-40 minutes while you wait.
Yeah, brilliant.
Yes.
Well,
So yeah, custom orders, but also we do factory trim.
so you do factory retrims as well?
Yeah, so that is going on a M3, M4.
Yeah.
And this is just done in a smooth nappa leather with the M tricolor stitching.
Yeah. So you don't have to kind of go whack and wild. You can go kind of OEM, retrim,
yeah.
refresh, kind of like what I've done here with this. That's 14-year-old Alcantara refreshed to brand new, and it looks incredible. Oh, Jack, that looks incredible. So we've got the GT3 RS steering wheel fitted now. It looks so much better as well. We've got the sports airbag on it now, and the stitching is just beautifully done. It kind of matches all of the top here. We've got the center accent here, the yellow Alcantara stripe. We've also got the GT3 RS style gear stick in Alcantara, gear gator, and the last thing, Jack, really is handbrake.
Yeah, let's put that on.
In she goes. Happy days. That's a nice, easy fitting, the handbrake.
Yes.
Perfect. Are you happy?
Yes.
Oh, mate.
Another one complete.
Another one complete. So if anyone needs steering wheel done, gear gator or just steering?
Especially for this Porsche.
For Porsche, yeah, absolutely. And then the handbrake. Contact Jack, Raw Steering Wheels. I'll leave the link in the description below. Make sure to check them out. And absolutely, mate, that looks absolutely stunning. I'm very happy with this. Thank you so much.
Yeah, happy for you as well.
Oh my God, I am extremely happy. I mean, we managed to do that in the pissing down rain, but, you know, weather wasn't on our side. But, guys, look at that. How beautiful does that look? I'm so happy. That looks absolutely incredible. Royal Steering Wheels, Jack. What a guy. I mean, comparing that to the original one. Again, the finish they did on that is phenomenal. It's just the shape, the triangular shape wasn't really for me. So, triangular shape. Sports GT3 RS wheel, yeah, winning. If anyone wants this, it'll be going up for sale soon, so hit me up. The only thing it doesn't have is the harness, so you'll need to have your own harness, but retrim wheel will be going for sale. Drop me a message on Instagram if you want it, but for now, I love this. The Alcantara gear stick looks absolutely beautiful, really nice. I've got the handbrake trim. It just, the whole car for me now has just elevated itself that little bit more. These contact points here are going to be, oh, I just love this car even more now. Oh yes. Now, whilst the weather is, well, I would not normally drive this car in this kind of weather, but my word is it's an enjoyable drive back home. The Alcantara gear stick feels amazing. The steering wheel feels absolutely incredible, and it's amazing how, you know, such a, I guess, you know, changing from leather to Alcantara makes such a difference, because it just feels, the car feels so much more modern, and it just feels, oh, it feels so nice to drive this with this steering wheel. Yeah, I'm extremely happy. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I think this steering wheel looks so much better personally. It feels so nice. It's still nice and thin, just like the GT3 RS wheel is, and it's just got much less tired Alcantara on it now, and this will now go on for a while. You know, I don't put many miles on this car, so this steering wheel is going to be kept in great condition.